I'm back, Kaushik Chatterjee. In this video, again, we are going to discuss a new topic. Definitely, the series will be same: how to make money. And here we are going to discuss a related topic. What exactly we have discussed in the last video, that is all about your with balance transfer. You can apply some additional amount also, which is nothing but your top up amount. So let's say I have taken a loan, let's say before 5 years, and that time my income was X. Today my income is X plus 1, and let's say I have a lot of other requirements. Let's say I want to start even, let's say, a new investment, or let's say I want to buy my, let's say, a new luxury car, or let's say I want to do something on my property. So whatever the additional amount, if I'm going to apply, if I'm going to take even an additional amount, additional kind of loan, then definitely it will be a fresh loan. Definitely, if I'm going to apply for this, whatever the existing even amount that I need to, I mean existing rate of interest that I'm going to pay. But here, it the same bank, and not only this, forget about interest, forget about your additional amount and all. But yes, you have to do again a fresh documentation with this new financial institute. But if I'm already having, let's say, an existing loan, even though from the same bank, or let's say if I want to transfer this loan to a new bank, so what is going to happen? I'm going to get a reducing rate of interest. Already I'm going to save my money. So you can go watch this last video, then you can come back to this video so that you will have a better clarity like what exactly this balance transfer and how you're going to save money. And then you can come back to this video and you can understand with this. So already I'm transferring my amount where I'm saving my money and making my money. Top of this, I'm going to apply even some additional amount. Now, how this additional amount will come to me? So, as I told you, my income when I took that time it was X. Now, today my income is X plus 1. So, what is going to happen? Today, on my X plus 1 amount, I'm going to be eligible for this amount. And let's say if I'm transferring, let's say around 40 lakhs, and let's say today I'm, let's say, example, let's say as per my income, whatever profession you are, even whatever income you have, so based on that one, in bank they have their own calculation, right? So that we have already discussed some other video, you can go, you can watch about this FOID video, and then you can come back to this video so that it will give you a more clarity. Now, so let's say existing income, I'm eligible, let's say, for 1 crore. So what is the difference? Around 60 lakhs. This 60 lakhs I can get it from my existing loan itself as a top up. Forget about whatever interest, because already I have saved some interest by transferring from the existing bank to my new bank. So let's say where I've already saved, let's say 1%. That example already have given in the last video. So here we are going to do a different scenario, because this existing amount, as I told you, so that could be used for so many things. Maybe purchasing new car, maybe purchasing even a new plot, or maybe a new real estate, any kind of investment, or let's say I want to do even my investment, whatever it is, because this 6 lakh is yours, you are eligible for this 6 lakhs, you can do even whatever you want. But even though if you are paying also rate of interest high, but you are going to save from your balance transfer even another, let's say, 1% or beyond even 1%. So if you equally, if you look out even as a mathematically, if I look out, if you look out your right hand, if you look out your left hand, so definitely you are going to save this money, even it will be balancing your both way. You are getting additional money, you are going to get even, let's say, this additional amount, and similarly you are going to even get your reducing rate of interest, even though you are going to pay even some more interest over here on your top up. But yes, over a period of time, overall, if you look out, it is balancing both, and you are getting benefited by additional amount, and definitely you are going to save even money also, because as I told you, not only documentation, if you are directly going for any kind of 6 lakhs loan, or let's say 50 lakhs loan, or let's say any kind of personal need on a personal loan or something, there you have to pay even huge, even more, even rate of interest, because as per the current even rate of interest, if you are working in any of the banking industry, any of the financial organization, so you'll be knowing on a personal interest even how much you need to pay. And from my balance transfer and from my top up, even though if you compare even marginally, you are always even benefited by this. Why all this discussion? Why with balance transfer with my top up amount? Why this is important? It is all to save your money. Your hard earned money is very, very important for yourself. If you are going to save money from here or there, it is going to be benefited for yourself, for your money to be invested somewhere, and definitely end of the day you are going to even having a better life, even a better even financial condition with your all even financial planning itself. So that is what, with my 20 plus years experience, whatever I'm sharing, whatever so far I have shared, all videos even together, if I look out any of the video, if you have watched any of this program, if you have followed any of these fundamental things, if you have applied for your life, you can change your own financial habit, own financial planning, and that is going to give you an impact to you and your life, to your family, not to be benefited to any other else. And that is the most important. With all my clients, with all my even case studies, I'm discussing over here. But yes, additionally, if you want to discuss something individually for yourself, I'm not here to promote any kind of product, any kind of service, but yes, still you want any individual discussion. Maybe your planning is different, maybe your financial situation is different. You're always welcome to write me a mail, or let's say you can chat over there, and I'll be happiest person to help you on the same way to change your own even financial planning. Thanks, thanks for watching.
Every night I wait. Paradise, paradise seems so far away.